Hello YouTube and fellow forum members. This is a brief overview video of identifying a bad idler pulley for a 1993 through 95 Mazda RX-7. In particular, this item came from a 94 RX-7. To my left is the bad idler pulley, and in this box here is the new idler pulley. When we pick it up and look at the idler pulley, obviously you can tell that it's pretty well used and has been on the car for quite some time. In fact, this is the original idler pulley. When you spin the pulley, you will hear a bunch of noise. Allow me to demonstrate. You can also tell that it freely rotates. Freely rotating is not necessarily a bad sign, but more importantly, the noise is what I'm trying to focus in on. Let me demonstrate again. Now, what you're not seeing here, or more importantly, what you're not feeling, is how coarse the pulley is when you rotate it. However, when you shake it, you can actually hear a little bit of chatter coming from the bearings inside the pulley. Once again, allow me to demonstrate. Were you able to hear that noise? Once again? Okay, now one other thing, as I also spin this pulley again, once again, you're not really seeing this on video, but I can feel it, is that how coarse or how much it moves around my finger. So there's quite a bit of a wobble to it, and that in itself indicates that it's a bad bearing. All right, so let's break into the new bearing. Excuse me, the new pulley. All right, so here's the new pulley. Brand new in the box, fresh from Mazda. How about that? All right, now, if I do the same test, number one, we'll shake it first. And it is very silent. I will do the spin test again. And this pulley does not freely spin like the other one does. So once again, this identifies the difference between a bad idler pulley and a new idler pulley. Thank you for watching.